Ah. What's that? Hmm? What's that? Yeah. Come na. Let's go, let's go. Come here. Bye. Hey, Minnie. Ah? In the bag. Come here. Hey, let's go. Come on. Wow, bagus shoes ah. Wow, bagus shoes. Shoes. Come on, let's go. Yeah. Yan, fam. Good morning. Kami ay papunta ni Nancy sa IKEA. Sabi ni Nancy kanina, let's go in IKEA. Budget 100 euro. 100 euro budget. Kasi alam nyo guys, pag pumunta sa IKEA, lagpas sa budget ang gastos palagi. Kailangan itatak mo sa isip mo na 100 euro budget lang yung hindi. Punta kami na IKEA kasi marami nang kulang sa aming bahay. Mga plato, yung mga kung ano-ano, mga kung ano-ano, chebureche. Yan, para mas wide. Okay. Kaya kailangan na namin pumunta. It's been a while nang last kami nagpunta to. When is the last time we went to IKEA? 2 years ago. 2 years ago probably. So I don't know. So we have to go kasi nga marami nang kulang sa aming bahay. Oh, Daddy. Nakapagsalita na pala si Noah, guys. Oh, where are you going? Wow, beach. Go to the beach. Huh? Boo!
Go to the beach.
To the beach. Okay, so papunta kami ng, may nangangaroling sa likod. Papunta kami ng IKEA.
Very early.
Si Dylan ay nandun sa kanyang lolo. Kasi kaninang umaga, Nancy and the kids, they went to buy shoes for Noah. Yun nga yung yung sapatos na yun na nabili, yung kulay green. Tapos ako nag-asikaso ako ng mga requirements for the magre-renew na kasi ako ng aking residence permit dito. Though I'm waiting for my citizenship, kailangan ko pa rin.
Wait.
Kailangan ko pa rin.
Judy.
Kailangan ko pa rin bukas yung bintana ni Noah, yung laruan na tatapon sa labas. Okay. So, yun, kailangan ko mag-renew ng aking residence permit kahit nag-aantay ako ng aking citizenship. So, waiting ako this year for the citizenship. And next week, pupunta ako sa Rome. Sa Embassy of Rome kasi hindi ko pa nare-report itong dalawa na to. Report of birth si Dylan tsaka si Noah sa Philippine Embassy para magkaroon sila ng Philippine citizenship. Yun. So next week tayo pupunta dyan. Kasi noong nakaraan na nagpunta kami ni Nancy, kulang kami ng requirements kaya hindi na i-process. So that one is 3 years ago I think. Ngayon lang ulit namin maipa-process. So late report of birth. So, what do you want to buy in IKEA?
We need for sure some containers.
Food containers, yan.
Because we broke most of them. All the one that we have, it's broken because we need new one. Because we need better ones.
Yeah.
Maybe some pan. If we find some pan.
Yes, pan and what else? Mostly kitchen things. Mostly
some,
things for the kitchen.
Some things to arrange the wardrobe of the kids.
Yes, the wardrobe of the kids.
Like some divider.
And maybe divider. And maybe some things from for the, I don't know, for the garage.
See, because we said today we would clean the garage and we still didn't start, but we will do.
You know when we should clean the garage? When we have the daddy. when I finished the frame of the puzzle,
I thought also, pero at the same time, we should start. because
naka-order na kami ng we order already the plexiglass. We're just waiting.
You say plexiglass. It's black.
Huh?
It's black.
Plexiglass. Daddy.
Today I wrote to the. We ordered before the summer vacation, and we thought it would arrive the same week, but a few days after they told me they would close, so it moved. Now it's already 2 weeks.
Yeah. Now we're just waiting for
I
that.
just wrote in the morning. They said they will tell me when it's leaving the shipment, because
Where
it will arrive.
they order from?
I don't know. It will arrive in one shop in near us, and we need to go to take with a big with a truck or something because it's very big. So I said that I asked them to tell me like this. I organize with the. Si c'è Retiro?
With the pickup.
Pickup.
Yeah.
Because we need to ask for the car or truck.
Yeah, because it's very big, the puzzle, the plexiglass. Kaya kailangan ng isang not truck. Ang tawag namin dito is furgone.
Furgone, probably you call it
Small
truck.
furgone, yeah.
Tagalog.
I don't know, delivery
SUV,
something.
no, it's not
SUV,
SUV.
big SUV is
It's like
something.
a
I don't know.
UPS truck
I don't know how they call in English.
or
Pero
FedEx
ayun, delivery
truck.
van or delivery van.
Van.
Also,
I think van is
something
okay.
like that. Kasi nga sobrang laki nung puzzle. And then from there, may hahang na namin yung 12,000 pieces puzzle na binuo namin for 2 years. And after finally,
2 years? No, it's not
mafe-feel
2 years.
1 year. 1 year. 2 years kasi half year namin ginawa.
1 year to finish the puzzle, but how long it's been there? It's long
It's
time.
long time, yeah.
I mean, no, your parents were here,
Yeah, we're here.
so it's like Dylan was just 1 year. Now it's 4, so it's 3 years. This puzzle is moving
It's
in the
not,
house.
it's
back
not
and forth,
easy,
over
guys,
close,
to find
back,
the way how to
up and
hang.
down, go in the attic, put down,
Yes.
open, close.
So in the end, I just decided to DIY the frame. No, just do it.
To save some
do it
money.
yourself. Yeah, because it's very expensive.
We didn't want to buy nothing in front, but we said that it
The-
would look better.
The plexiglass
something
cost how much is cost?
280.
280. Yeah,
It's a lot, but in the end, it's not
it's not a lot
I thought more.
because
to
of
be honest. I
the
thought at least 500
because
euro.
because the one that we did last time was already 200 euro.
With the frame and everything, the one
Yeah,
that
200
was
euro.
3,000 pieces.
3,000 pieces. Let's say
Around
times
300
for
euro,
200, you will arrive to 600 or 700.
But the frame you need to finish the color.
Seriously, I need to color the frame. So guys, yun. Hondoy, see you na lang sa IKEA in a week. Okay? Ciao, ciao. Okay.
Prendi lo zainetto.
Portiamo già una...
La borsa ce l'hai e lo zainetto.
Ito na kami. Kararating lang namin. Hey!
Show flash.
Laki na IKEA dito guys.
Dove siamo?
Poi ce l'ho, l'ha portato questo.
Ok.
It's okay for you. E questo è di IKEA.
Te lo dici cinesi.
Boo, are you ready to spend 1,000 euro?
I don't know, it's your money.
Me, I'm not. I don't have money. Hindi. Not ready. So guess, you think we will stay to 100 euro?
Forse, no, non so te qui.
Okay. Let's go. Dito guys, wag tayo ay dito sa IKEA. Ang gaganda ng mga setup. Mangarap ka na lang na sana ganito na lang. So mapapabili ka talaga ng maraming kung ano-ano dito. Mama lazy, mama stali. Tulad nitong setup na yun, diba? Ang ganda. Mapapabili ka talaga. Mama, where's the mama? Where's mama? Mama. Dali, mama. Mama. Also here in IKEA, when we, when we pass by here in the exposition area, no, you say, let's do like this, let's do like that, let's do like this. There's a lot of options. So it's very difficult. It's not so easy. Dito kami sa sofa, living room area. Boom, 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 boom. Vroom. Wow, very nice this. I like. Detergente per pelle. Mamma, sì. C'è mamma. Stai mangiando ancora tu? Mamma. Bah. Center table, you want?
Mama.
Take if you need.
Can I take from here? So we can pass
I probably will. If I cooking.
We should put our kitchen. This is very similar.
Che fai? Vai a cucinare là, vai a cucinare. Vai a cucinare. Vai. No, quella no. Questa no. Tu vai a cucinare qua. Cucini qua, vai. Oh, bella tazza no. Andiamo bol. No, c'è bolla. C'è bolla là. Dai. Sì.
C'è anche più grande, però questo è 7 euro.
There is some.
Sì, guarda, c'è una di queste, 4 curve.
Allora? Wow. Contenitore sta lì. Che mamma lì, sta mamma lì.
Io penso che vai per 2 pieces of this, 2 or 3, perché the glass it's nice, però è...
It's heavy. It's better this plastic.
One
It's
of that is like 3 of this. 6 pieces or more? 6 pieces.
So, tapos na kami, pauwi na kami. At yan, yung aming ang budget namin is 100 euro. Of course, as usual, ayun ang pamili namin. Yan. As usual, lagpas kami sa budget. So, we arrived to 190 euro. So, almost double sa budget natin. Almost, yeah. Because bumili kami ng ng pan, cooking pan, which is nasa 50 euro. Ayun, kaya since nandito na rin naman kami, yun ang laging dahilan natin Bilhin na rin natin, no? Yes. So ngayon, uwi na kami. Gutom na, merenda. Bahay. Na sleep. Sleep na, sleep. Sleep na, sleep. Sleep na rin. Yun. Ha? Okay, so okay. Sa ating napamili, medyo na parami ng konti ang ating pamili. But it's okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, so kararing lang namin dito sa bahay. At dumaan pa kami ng grocery. Sa some groceries na mga yogurt kasi wala na kami dito sa bahay. At itong bata na to, ayan o. Kagigising lang dahil nakatulog. Ciao nyambam, ciao mo ciao. Ciao nyambam. Day. Yan, so at si Nancy susunduin na muna si Dylan bago namin to i-unbox, ipapakita sa inyo yung mga napamili natin. Sunduin niya muna si Dylan. So, ayun siya. Ito, yun, at ayun. Yan. Mga tinapamili sa IKEA na ang original budget is 100 euro na lumagpas kami ng 90 euro. Almost double. So, 189 euro to be exact. Kasi ito mahal eh. This is the most expensive ball. Ball. Ano yung ball? Iba. Let's see if we really need the things that we have. You think we
Some
need?
things I'm already thinking where to put.
Yeah, like this, Nancy,
Kasi malalato na ako.
for the fridge. And pero I need to take merenda kasi I'm so hungry. I know it's dinner time. In 2 hours is dinner time, but I'm so hungry. Hindi, eat something. Alright. Doon naman na si
Sit
Dylan.
down in the ball.
Sit down in the ball. You sit down in the ball. Uh-oh. He likes this ball so much, eh? He likes the ball so much, this baby. Eh. Okay. So, andito na sila, guys. So, si Dylan. Ma'am. Dylan. Kamusta? How are you? Uh-oh. Dang. Uy.
Noah, sai che l'ha fatto questo? L'avevo fatto io. Cosa avevo fatto io, vero?
Si.
L'avevo fatto io. Guarda,
Dylan, you want to help daddy unbox o mommy?
Dobbiamo aprire tutte.
Okay, so niyan pa, tignan natin itong mga napamili namin kung ano ba siya, kung ang tawag dito. Let's see the things that we bought if it's justified that we need it. Kung kailangan ba talaga natin. First, pinakaunang dumapo sa aming karelo is this one. We really need this.
abbiamo tutte scatole.
Yes, this one is for the plant, for our big monstera.
Così
Yeah.
funziona. It's open, look.
Put the monstera plants.
Inside, no?
Yes.
And poi you can also do like this, yeah?
Yeah, poi sì. Okay, one. This one is containers for the
Aspetta, fai vedere tutti.
containers for the
Sì.
fridge.
With the lid, you can put the things because I like to be organized and I have everything in the boxes everywhere. Got it.
Yeah. So Nancy wants to organize all of these.
I have boxes like every.
Yeah. This one, it's 3 containers for the fridge. Missing the cup.
Ci sono tutti
Okay, it's okay. Okay,
Oh no.
we have this for the fridge.
Papa, mi dai il
Meron
telefono?
tayong biscuit.
Papa, mi dai il telefono?
Biscuit.
Bread.
Mhm. Meron tayong biscuit. Bread. We have this, ito ay pantakip to sa sa bowl. Silicone cover for the bowl. Tingnan.
No, dami
We have this one. Supply, gusto. Strainer.
Okay, it's
Strainer
strainer because
for-
the one that we have it's broken, so we bought a new one. This one it's for Ian said you put soap inside per cucinare la palla. You put inside this one and then you
Tanta pista.
What's this?
Guarda la pista in due.
if we actually need that, no. But we are
Ito ay
Parents?
La pista.
additional sa train collection nila. So, from
Lo
IKEA.
apriamo?
Please, if you want, yes.
Lo apriamo adesso?
It's for you.
Lo voglio aprire.
And we have these containers. Another containers for
Daddy, come si apre?
here. You can take your box basta tutte. Vai.
In camera mia.
Sì, vai.
no, in camera nostra.
Camera nostra, go, go,
Dimmi
go.
sì.
Vieni.
Amore, no, fammi finire.
Accendi la luce, dai.
Accendi.
Ito, meron din kami dinari container. I don't know for where Nancy wants to put this one. Pero ito yung mga maliliit na container lang para organize yung sa loob ng mga cassette, mga drawers. Tapos, dalawang spatula. Spatula ni Nancy. Ang bake, of course. Tapos ito, binili namin para sa trash can. Para sa biodegradable, ang tawag namin doon is umido. May butas siya para magkaroon siya, mayroon siyang airflow. Yung, kasi lagi nag-humid, laging nagke-create ng tubig. So yung kapag walang butas, pag nagtatapon ng basura yon mabaho and matubig. Kaya better. Another containers bigger than this. Where do you want to put this? Nice. Put the Ito, I don't know where you want to put this one. Somewhere. But this called for dividing.
Dove lo faccio?
Direi che lo facciamo da pensare, adesso mangiamo.
Ito, this one is very important kasi
Lo faccio qui.
Dove sul corridoio?
kasi this one
In the corridor.
pang dry ng things sa tabi ng lababo kasi maliit yung lababo namin. So lagi kailangan extra.
I put soap inside here. What do you think? Soap?
I think yeah. So
And some water or just soap?
some hangers. Pag nag-IKEA ka talagang marami kang mabibili. Ito para sa computer kung latag. Computer and containers for food preparation. And more containers for the food preparation. Yan, more containers. And another container for the food prep. Mostly containers.
But we went there for this.
For the containers. And another parang siya,
Figata, why not?
panglagay sa kasi with the soap, only soap without water. I can add some more.
What?
Then
You need to press.
yun. So ito, parang panlagay din sa loob ng cabinet.
Che c'ho questi qui.
Yun, so yun na yun guys.
Sì, aspetta un attimo.
Kita niyo, at saka yung yung namin, ito, yung
This is the most
this
expensive.
one is the most expensive.
We need to...
Umabot ng halos 3,000 pesos to. Can you give me the scissor? I want to show to them why this one is expensive. Kasi yung mga namin, mga pangluto namin, alam nyo na, yung mga non-stick, nagagasgas pa rin yung mga non-stick na that one it's very hazard sa health. So this one, it's you know how to open.
Che passa sopra?
Meron siya. It's like there's blue. So that's
Mama, guarda. Mi freno non fa, guarda. Perché vedi, non vedi.
ano, yun
Passa, vedi?
O passa uno o passa quell'altro. Dopo vediamo bene, mamma, non ti preoccupare.
Yan, naka-blue siya. So yung ang pinakamaganda dito guys, it's removable yung handle niya. No? I don't know how Nancy did it, but I will learn it.
You need to press photo.
Yan. So removable yung handle niya. So
It's easy to store.
Mhm. To store this. It's
So
free.
now, because we have everything that is going up, all the pan, one on top of the other.
Tatlong piraso to,
Very easy.
dalawang pan, tapos isang bowl,
Casserole.
casserole. Yan, isang casserole. And stainless steel. Kaya, I think it's good.
Secondo me si rovinerà lo stesso, but you see, you put this one inside.
Yan, no? Yung mga stainless.
And then you close.
Yes. And this one also.
Stainless steel, it's shiny.
I hope it's good.
Can go in the fire, in the oven. Oh, it's written can
You can go in the oven because it's
You
all
remove.
metal, this one. You just remove the
Nice.
handle.
Can go in the dishwasher, and that's it.
Yeah. Okay, so all is this. Bumili kami ito, medyo ano siya, medyo, anong tawag dito? Medyo mahal siya, but we bought it for storing. Kasi medyo magulo yung aming mga fan sa loob ng cabinet. Kaya kahit kung mga ganito, madali siya store. Yun guys, so yun na namin napamili. Yun na yung aming IKEA thing na umabot ng 190 euro. Which is nasa around 12,000 pesos yan. Kaya yun na. So ngayon, kakain na kami. Ang pagkain namin ngayon it's isda. Fish, ang aming dinner for today. Hindi ko na i-vlog yung aming fish kasi isda lang nun ulam namin. Ayan. Are you happy, Dylan? Dylan, ti piace? Eh? Wow! Ah, si Papa si Due!
Sì, però guarda, va anche sotto il ponte.
Wow! Bra.
Però non lo so dove sta quella di questi. Non so
Okay.
dove sta. Allora,
Okay. I'm happy na gusto na nila and he likes that thing. So guys, thank you very much for watching. We end the vlog here kasi kakain na kami. Ayusin ko lang to and then kain na kami. Right? So, ciao Nyampam! Ciao Nyampam!
Ciao Nyampam!
Ciao Nyampam!
dove ci metto il ponte allora?
Ragazzi, ciao Nyampam!
Ciao!
Ciao ciao!
Ciao ciao!
No. But no message. Okay, good night guys. Thank you. Bye bye.